Welcome back. Let's today talk about the ERP system selection criteria. So, selecting the right enterprise planning system is a critical decision for organizations as it significantly influences their operations and long-term success. We can talk about a few of the key criteria and considerations that organizations should evaluate when selecting an ERP system. Number one, the business requirements analysis. Comprehensive needs assessments understand and document the organization's current and future process, which includes business functions, functional requirements, and goals. The industry specific needs. We should evaluate whether the ERP system caters to the industry specific requirements and regulations. Scalability. Let's think about the future growth considerations. We ensure that the ERP system that can scale up to accommodate organizations' tremendous growth in terms of users, transactions, and data volumes. Flexibility. Access the system's ability to adapt to the changing and ever evolving business needs and new technologies. Integration capabilities. Capability with existing system. Evaluate how well the ERP system can integrate with existing software, databases, and hardware. APIs and middlewares. Consider the availability and effectiveness of application programming APIs, that is interfaces, and middleware for seamless integration amongst the two systems. Number four, deployment options. Whether there should be an option for cloud or on-premises. You should decide on the deployment model based on factors such as cost, security, preferences, and infrastructural capabilities. There are also hybrid solutions. Consider hybrid solutions that combine elements of both cloud and on-premises development. Number fifth, cost considerations. Total cost of ownership, we call it as a TCO. Access the overall cost, including the initial implementation, licensing fees, maintenance, training, and potential customization. Then you should think about the ROI, the return of investment. Evaluate the expected return on investments and benefits derived from implementing the ERP system. Number six, vendor reputation and support. Vendor track record to be evaluated. Research the reputation and track record of the ERP vendor, including customer reviews and case studies. Support and maintenance services. Evaluate the vendor's support services, including training, documentation, and ongoing technical assistance. Number seven, user friendliness and training. User interface UI access the ERP system's user interface for intuitiveness and ease of use. Training programs. Evaluate the availability of training programs and resources to ensure a smooth transition for end users. Number eight, customization and flexibility. Configurability across the system's configurability to meet a specific business processes without extensive customization. Customization opinions or options evaluate the extent to which the ERP system can be tailored to unique organizational requirements. Security measures. Data encryption. Ensure that the ERP system employs or deploys the robust data encryption techniques to safeguard sensitive information. Access controls, access the systems, access controls, authentication mechanism, and authorization protocols. Number 10, compliance and regulatory features. Industry compliance ensure that the ERP system meets industry specific compliance standards and regulations. Regulatory updates assess if the vendor is able to provide updates and features to adapt to changing compliance requirements for an organization. Number 11, mobility and accessibility. Mobile compatibility. Evaluate if the ERP systems support the mobile devices and remote access. Offline functionalities. Consider whether the system allows user to perform tasks offline and sync up data later. Number 12, data migration and legacy system integration. Data migration. You should access the data migration tools so that they're available for migrating data from existing system to the new cloud ERP environment. Integration with legacy system ensures compatibility and smooth integration with legacy systems. Number 13, ERP vendors' financial stability. Vendors' viability access the financial stability and long-term viability of the ERP vendor to make sure and ensure that they provide us the ongoing support and updates. Number 14, innovation and future proofing. Technology roadmap. Review the vendor's technology roadmap to understand its commitment to innovation and future enhancements. Upgradability, accessing the ease of upgrading the ERP system to future versions. Number 15, user feedback and references. It's very important the customer references speak with existing customers of the ERP vendor to gain insights into their experiences. Of course, goes with the user feedback. Consider online forums, reviews, and feedback from users who have already implemented this particular ERP system from the vendor. Number 16, implementation time frame. Pay attention to the project timelines, evaluate the expected timeline for ERP system. Implementation and vendors' ability to meet deadlines should be considered. Number 17, data analytics and reporting. Analytics compatibility, access the ERP system's ability to provide advanced analytics and reporting features. Real-time reporting, evaluate if the system is capable of providing or generating the real-time reports and dashboards. Number 18, user support community. Community forums for that particular ERP vendor. Check if the availability and vibrancy of the user support communities or forums where users can share their insights and troubleshoot issues. It's very important. Number 19, upgrades and maintenance. What is the update frequency? Access how often the vendor releases updates and new features. Upgrade process, like how would you evaluate the ease and efficiency of systems upgrade process. Number 20, environmental considerations. Energy efficiency. Consider the environmental aspect or impact of the ERP systems, including energy consumption and sustainability features. 21, usability testing. User acceptance testing, UAT. Conduct usability testing involving end-to-end users testing to ensure that the ERP system meets their needs and is intuitive to use. Pilot programs, consider implementing pilot programs to gauge user satisfaction and identify any usability challenges. Number 22, updatability and future support. Long-term support commitments. We assess the vendor's commitment to provide long-term support for the ERP system we're planning to implement, including updates, patches, and ongoing improvements which came with the new technologies. End of life policies. We should understand the vendor's policies regarding end of life for versions of the ERP system. Number 23, usability of different roles. Role-based access. Evaluate the ERP system's ability to provide role-based access, ensuring that the users have access to not only the information and functionality relevant to their roles, but also with other functions which they require to know. Personalization options. Consider whether users can personalize their interfaces based on their specific needs and preferences. Number 24, vendor ecosystem and partnership. We should understand what are their third-party integration. We should assess the ERP vendor's ecosystem and partnership with third-party applications to enhance the functionality of the ERP system. Should go and see the app marketplace, check if the vendor has an app marketplace which where you can have additional modules or functionality that can be obtained easily. Number 25, mobile application capabilities. Offline functionality, we should evaluate the ERP system's ability to function offline. Crucial for users who may need to access data in areas with limited connectivity. Cross-platform compatibility. Ensure that the mobile application is compatible with various operating systems and devices. Number 26, user training and onboarding process. Training resources. Should assess the availability and quality of training resources provided by the ERP vendor, including documentation, video tutorials, and other user step-by-step guides. Onboarding support. Consider the level of onboarding support provided during the initial implementation phase. Number 27, audit and compliance tools. Audit trail. Evaluate the ERP system's audit trail compatibilities, which are essential for tracking changes to data and maintaining accountability. Compliance reporting. Check whether the system provides tools for generating compliance reports to meet the regularity requirements. Number 28, data governance and quality. Data governance features. We should access or assess the ERP system's features for managing data quality, including validation rules, data cleansing, and data governance policies. Data accuracy tools. Evaluate tools for ensuring the accuracy and consistency of data across the system. Number 29, machine learning and AI integration. Intelligent automation. Evaluate whether the ERP system integrates machine learning and AI capabilities for automation, predictive analytics, and process optimization. Predictive maintenance. Consider AI-driven features for predicting and preventing system issues for optimizing maintenance schedules. Number 30, social and collaborative features. Collaboration tools. Assess the ERP system features to fostering collaboration among users, such as discussion forums, document sharing, and collaborative workflows. Social integration. Consider integration with social platforms for enhanced communication and knowledge sharing. This is all different aspects you should consider for assessing your ERP selection vendor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Until the next video. Bye.